It says orange on it, so that's an excellent sign. Orange. Pretty psyched. Pretty psyched. Wow. So this is crazy, but I actually won this cab from Orange because they're so cool, and they ran a contest for the holidays, and they gave 50 people you know, an item that they manufacture that you picked. You have to be very specific, and I had said the two items that were highest on my priority list from Orange, even though there's a lot, because I love so many things that they make, but it was this small cab, this new 112 base cab, and the Orange Terror 500. They brought it back, my favorite bass amp, and I couldn't believe it, but I actually won this thing. Let's take a look and check it out. Really cool. Wow, nice port on the back, speakons here. Let's see this thing, all this shit out of the way. Take a look. Wow, it's really nice. It's spectacular, and it's pretty light. I mean, it's definitely going to be a lot easier to get around. Yeah, this thing is so cool, and of course I could do it like that if I need to. You know, that's the thing. That's the beauty of this. It's going to work either way. Wow. Thing is spectacular. Damn. Anyway, we'll have to do, we'll be doing some demos of this thing. Alright, that's it for now. Peace.